Wow, what a beautiful waterfall! I will be right back.
Raju, banana! My teeth!
Hey, look! This banana is made up of plastic. Sky Dragon, how can the plants and trees be of plastic in this Nilgiri jungle world?
Yes, I thought plastic was only destroying our home planet. How did it get here?
That's what I wanted to discuss with you today, kids. A short distance from here is the plastic planet. That's where Mr. and Mrs. Polly Bear live.
We'll turn the entire world into plastic world. We will eat all that plastic and become the strongest in this universe.
Please don't worry, Sky Dragon. Just tell us how can we help.
Bheem, creatures like me will be turned into plastic the moment we enter the Polly Bear world. That's why only you can do this job. Right in the center of Polly Bear Palace is a special place where there is no plastic at all. It's only mud. You just have to plant this Urgula plant in that area and the entire universe will be green and plastic free forever.
I'm so thirsty right now, and everything around here is plastic.
Beam, the mud is that way and it's totally surrounded by huge rocks. I'm afraid the only way to get there is through Polly Bear's home.
I think we'll use plastic today for good.
How's the tea, Mr. Polly Bear?
Your tea is delicious as always, Mrs. Polly Bear.
Who are you? How did you manage to enter our world?
Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Polly Bear. We found all this plastic stuff around, so we came here to return it.
You don't look like plastic to me.
No, wait!
Beam, what are we going to do now?
What a hassle! I'll turn them into plastic right away.
Dolu Bolu! It's time to empty their trash cans.
Oh, please wait. See, I brought some plastic flowers for you.
Dahlia, they don't need flowers. They need to go far, far away from here.
My head is spinning.
Do something quickly!
Bheem! Poly bears are very close to us. You carry on. I'll hold them here.
Your face is still very beautiful. Really very beautiful. I'll teach these kids a lesson. A special herb plant? No, not ever.
Everyone has turned into plastic. What if this herb plant comes under their attack?
Bhim is all alone now. He needs some encouragement. Bhim, you are not alone. Here, have this laddu. Bhim, no!
Super Bheem will be our new plastic toy, huh?
No! Oh no!
Thank you so much, Super Bheem, for going out of the way and helping all of us. Wow, they had turned such a beautiful place into plastic all this while. And us too, Bheem. But you saved everyone.
We all have done this together. Come on, let's go and give this good news to everyone. Yes, but first let me have a dive in this beautiful river for once. Bulbula Nagar is really very exciting.
Very nice, Beam.
Blow some bubbles towards us!
Jaggu, no! These bubbles are not safe for a ride.
Oh, be careful, Jaggu. You might accidentally burst your own bubble.
Jaggu, are you alright?
Alright, I'm very, very good. These bubbles are amazing. Absolutely soft and bouncy, just like bed.
Sky Dragon, can we sit in these bubbles and travel the entire universe? It'll be a lot of fun.
No, Chutki. They are completely closed.
Ho, ho, hukum. Ho, ho, hukum. Very soon I'm going to trap you inside these bubbles and send you into space to live in that dark, deserted planet. Forever and ever! Ho, ho, hukum! Salute your king! Ho, ho, hukum!
It's kind of strange. Since when did a shop of bubble rides open up in Bulbula Nagar?
Huh? Ride in bubbles?
Sky Dragon, we all want to take a ride of bubbles too. Come on, please.
Okay, no problem, kids. Let's take that ride.
Can we also enjoy a horse ride here? Let's ride, horsey, tick, tick, tick. Let's ride, horsey, tick, tick, tick.
Get down, silly boy! I meant to say, be careful, my sweet boy. You could have broken my back. All right, kids. Who wants to take a tour of Bulbula Nagar in this exciting bubble ride? And you, mister, wouldn't you like to ride in one of these bubbles today?
Me? No, me.
Sky Dragon, just imagine you are inside this cozy bubble and flying freely into space with no stress and no worries amongst beautiful twinkling stars. How does it feel?
It really feels very nice.
That means Sky Dragon will also take a bubble ride.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Hey, look over there. There are some small holes. This is mine.
No, it's mine.
Oh, this is mine.
No, it's mine.
Mine.
This is mine.
Oof, this silly Kalia again!
Bean, this man is none other than Hukum. Look at his crystal ball.
Everyone get out fast. This guy is Hukum. Huh? Doors are closed from outside.
I think Bhim has understood my plot.
Hukum, let go of my friends.
No, never! Bhim, now you are my captive too. You will never be able to stop me in my evil plans.
What will we do now?
We will not be defeated like this. They are just bubbles. Let's try bursting them.
Dishum, 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 bshat!
What is this? I will have to start all over again. But I'm so tired.
Hey, it's not easy to burst these bubbles. They are magical bubbles. Magical! They have no idea that these bubbles can only burst with the help of my magical wand and nothing else.
Bhim, we have to get Hokum's magical wand anyhow.
Found a way.
Hey, what are you trying to do?
Just traveling in space.
It's not that easy to defeat Hukum! Enough of all this! Now do your jumping around in the dark planet!
Bhim, take this laddu. Save us.
Now Bhim won't be able to save you! Ho, ho, Hukum!
I got it! Yay! We did it, Bhim!
These bubbles are really nice to look at. But now I don't want to ride in any of them.
Hukum, look at these beautiful bubbles for the last time. Because once you get inside that space jail, the view out there might not be so pretty.